Everybody knows time is money, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes of my time so you can make money. So what is the forgiveness clause and how can we use the forgiveness clause to increase our sales, to get more sales? Listen, the forgiveness clause is a very powerful clause. It works, but you have to be good at what you are doing. It's not for amateurs, it's for professionals, people that have been selling for a while. And you have to have built great rapport with your potential customer, with your client, okay? Now bear with me. By the way, if you like sales training videos and you want to increase your sales, go ahead, subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you don't miss anything. So how can we use the forgiveness clause? Let's say you do your presentation, you've made your presentation, right? And you're right at the end and you've used the 4-question clause. The 4-question clause, watch this video right here. There's a card right there. I'll leave it in the description down below. Watch it after this video or go watch it, come back. Okay, but you've used the 4-question clause and now you're going to use the forgiveness clause because they said something like, I got to ask my husband or I have to ask my wife, okay? So all you have to say is this. So you like the product, you want the product, okay? Then John, it's better to ask for forgiveness rather than permission. Now bear with me, this is very important. I know it sounds simple and it's like, oh, come on, Paul. No, listen. It's better to ask for forgiveness rather than permission. And that's when you touch them with the subliminal brainwashing tactic I taught you in this video right here, also in the description. That's when you touch them and you do that little push. Believe me, it works wonders. You will get more sales, okay? So that is the forgiveness clause. And if you like these sort of videos, then make sure you subscribe. This is the second time I'm telling you in this video. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. I'm Paul Democritou, and until next time, keep succeeding.